Hello, it's Elijah. Ready for another tutorial here on Daily 101? If you're frustrated with a carrier-locked iPhone and can't switch to a different network, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll cover all the effective ways to unlock your iPhone from its carrier restrictions. These methods apply to any iPhone model, regardless of the carrier it's currently tied to. I know how it feels to try multiple unlocking services and software, only to be disappointed when they fail to work. You're not the only one. I've spent money on similar services, only to find no real solution. But what if I told you there's a better, more reliable way? A method that's quick, secure, and best of all, completely free. Yes, you heard that right. This method is free, fully tested, and works every time to unlock carrier-locked iPhones, no matter the network. Stick around until the end of the video, and I'll guide you through this awesome solution. Ready to free your iPhone? Let's begin. Remember, this tutorial is intended for those who own their device but need help due to the fact that they have forgotten their login credentials. We do not tolerate illegal activities that allow unlocking stolen devices. Let's keep to legal actions and respect the rights of everyone. All our videos are compliant on YouTube's terms and conditions. Are we clear? Now let's begin. Let's remove the SIM card first before we start the carrier unlocking process. After that, get your other phone or any other device that can open and access a website. Now let's access this website by going to unlockgeek.com. Remember that you can use any phone or even desktop to access this website. After the website loads, you can see different unlocking tools here. Just choose Carrier Unlocker by clicking the Access Here button, because that is the one that we need. In this page, we're going to need to fill up the details of device that you want to unlock. You need to type the IMEI of your device to be able to unlock it. Don't know your IMEI number? No worries. Here's how you can find it. If the device is already in your hands and you can access the home screen, simply dial *06 number on your iPhone's keypad to display the IMEI. If the phone is locked, you can tap the little eye icon on the iPhone's activation screen to get the IMEI. After you get the IMEI, copy and type that IMEI here. Make sure to type the correct IMEI number before proceeding to the next step to avoid any problems. After that, select the device that you want to carrier unlock. Mine is iPhone, so I will choose Apple icon. Now click the unlock button to start the unlocking process. Just sit back and relax while the unlocking process is running. Since the unlocking process is nearly complete, let's switch over to my iPhone and see if it's already carrier unlocked. You can see that my iPhone has no SIM card. Now let's insert the new SIM card that we want to use. After we insert the SIM card, your iPhone will ask for the SIM card PIN. Let's put the PIN and hit OK. Now let's wait for my iPhone to read the SIM card. Now, as you can see, my iPhone is now carrier unlock. I can now use any carrier SIM card with my iPhone. Having trouble with the method? We've got an alternative for you. We're giving away 300 unlocks weekly to our viewers. To enter, follow these steps. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, comment with your device model. Make sure to include your device model, IMEI number, and country in your comment. Once all steps are completed, your entry will be automatically included in our weekly free unlock giveaway. Be sure to provide accurate details. Best of luck. Thanks so much for checking out this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for even more tech guides and lessons. Tap the notification bell so you never miss my upcoming uploads. Got ideas? Leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Be sure to check out my other tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next video.